Hi everyone, welcome back to Bochiknot and Bochiknot.com. My name is Nicole. Welcome to another Bochiknot macrame knot series tutorial. We will be going over the ladder strap knot today. When you repeat this knot, it forms a ladder strap pattern which you can use for a variety of different macrame projects such as jewelry or for the use of plant hangers. Before we begin, you will need some materials and supplies. I've chosen to use a multiply cord to make this knot pattern today. This is a natural color multiply cord from my Vibrant line, and if you guys are interested, you can check out the link in the video description below. This cord size is 4mm, and you will need a strand of cord of around 150 centimeters long to practice making this knot. So to begin, fold the cord in half, and on the loop end, fold the right side over to make a loop. Then fold it over once more. Then pull the bottom cord over to the right to form 2 loops. Taking the front cord, move it to the back and weave it through the top loop from back to front. Then we're going to close off that section tightly and then repeat with that same cord through the same loop 2 more times. The ladder strap pattern I will be making today will only wrap around 3 times per knot, as I am showing you here. Once you have wrapped it around 3 times, take that same working cord end and weave it through from top down through the loop to the right. Then shift the cords and pull on both cord ends to tighten the knot. You have now made 1 ladder strap knot. As for the number of times you can wrap around the knot, you can wrap it around as many times as you'd like. This is a version of the ladder strap knot where I've wrapped it around 6 times before weaving the cord end through the loop. The result is a wider ladder knot. Back over to the ladder knot we were making. We're now going to add a second ladder step underneath. So taking the right cord, we're going to fold it over the left cord and form a loop with the end going through to the back. Then take the front vertical cord and bring it to the back and bring it from back to front on the top loop. Then we're going to repeat the step and wrap it around 2 more times. If you guys do like the step-by-step knot tutorials just like these, make sure you click like on this video tutorial and also click subscribe for more videos just like this one. Once you have reached the 3rd wraparound, weave the cord end through the loop on the side. Then pull on both cord ends to tighten the knot. If the second step is a little bit loose on the sides with the cords hanging farther down, you can shift 1 cord section at a time to tighten up the sides of the knot. Repeat for 3 more ladder steps below to form a chain-like pattern. Once you're done, this is what your ladder strap knot pattern should look like. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. For more tutorials like this, you can check out my knot series playlist on YouTube or my 50 knots and Sennett's YouTube tutorial. Stay tuned for an upcoming tutorial on how I incorporated this pattern into a larger macrame project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.